This is China right now. Hurricane-force winds, cars buried alive, and cities vanishing under snow. A historic blizzard is crushing China, and millions are trapped in freezing chaos. Massive blizzard buries homes and vehicles across China. Xinjiang, China, December 13, 2025. A relentless winter storm has brought vast regions of China to a grinding halt as heavy snowfall, violent winds, and plunging temperatures unleash chaos from the northwest to the nation's heartland. Since December 12th, a powerful winter weather system has swept across northern, northeastern, central, and southwestern China, paralyzing transportation networks, crippling city operations, and disrupting daily life for tens of millions of people. The hardest-hit region is the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, where the storm's full force has transformed cities and highways into frozen landscapes of destruction. Initial images reveal homes buried under deep snow, vehicles entombed in massive drifts, and residents battling brutal cold, fierce winds, and treacherous ice. In the mountainous western outskirts of Urumqi, the regional capital, meteorological stations recorded wind speeds equivalent to force 13 on the Beaufort scale, with gusts estimated to exceed 90 miles per hour. These hurricane-strength winds, combined with relentless snowfall, created towering snowdrifts that swallowed entire stretches of mountain roads, trapping hundreds of vehicles beneath layers of ice and snow. Traffic police officers and emergency rescue teams working in these extreme conditions faced life-threatening dangers. Battling freezing temperatures and near-zero visibility, some responders narrowly escaped death while attempting to reach stranded motorists. Authorities confirmed that the storm has severely disrupted both road and rail transportation across multiple areas of Xinjiang. In central Urumqi, thick snow blanketed major arteries, slowing traffic to a crawl and turning roads into sheets of ice. Several critical sections were temporarily shut down to prevent deadly accidents. In response, local governments mobilized maximum manpower and heavy equipment. Sanitation workers, emergency crews, and specialized snow-clearing vehicles operated around the clock in freezing conditions to reopen vital routes. In Shihezi City, west of Urumqi, snow removal followed a tightly coordinated, multi-layered response. Large snowplows were deployed in convoys of 4 to 5 units to clear main roads, while smaller machines tackled sidewalks and secondary streets. In areas unreachable by machinery, workers were forced to shovel snow by hand, enduring biting winds and sub-zero temperatures. The blizzard's impact extended far beyond city streets. Multiple highways across Xinjiang were partially or fully closed, with reopening timelines uncertain due to persistent ice buildup and dangerous winds. The accompanying cold wave drove minimum temperatures down to between 5 and 14 degrees Fahrenheit, intensifying rise. Cases of frostbite and hypothermia. Forecasts warn that snowfall will continue in several areas over the coming days, while temperatures remain dangerously low, placing additional strain on rescue operations and daily life. Rail travel has also been severely affected. Since December 12th, numerous passenger train services have been canceled, disrupting travel across the region and leaving thousands stranded. Chinese media report that the same powerful winter system has surged across much of northern and central China, delivering widespread snow, powerful gusts, sharp temperature drops, and hazardous icy roads. In major cities, vehicles skidded out of control, traffic accidents increased, and authorities urged residents to limit non-essential travel. Even the nation's capital was not spared. On December 12th, Beijing experienced its first major snowfall of the winter as a surge of cold air swept across northern China. Snow fell across most urban districts, while southern areas and surrounding mountains endured stronger winds and heavier accumulations. Snowfall began in the western mountains before spreading rapidly into plains and densely populated city areas. Meteorologists noted the snow was predominantly dry, as air and ground temperatures remained below freezing, allowing snow to accumulate quickly and melt slowly. In areas where snow removal lagged, accumulation reached dangerous depths, increasing the risk of traffic accidents and structural failures, especially for older buildings. Meanwhile, the extreme weather system continued to generate multiple hazards nationwide. On December 13th, China's Ministry of Emergency Management issued broad safety advisories, warning of localized heavy snowfall in the northeast and unusually heavy rainfall in parts of the southwest during the same period. Strong cold air triggered powerful winds across northern and northeastern China. In Inner Mongolia, Heilongjiang, Jilin, Beijing, and Hebei, gusts reached 35 to 50 miles per hour, worsening wind chill and creating perilous conditions. Temperatures in central and eastern Inner Mongolia dropped sharply by 14 to 22 degrees Fahrenheit, with some areas experiencing plunges of more than 30 degrees in a matter of hours. The China Meteorological Administration issued 4 simultaneous alerts for blizzards, cold waves, strong winds, and dense fog. Forecasts warn that wind gusts in mountain passes across Xinjiang could reach 65 to 70 miles per hour, posing extreme danger to vehicles. Offshore, surrounding seas are also affected, with winds expected to reach 40 to 50 miles per hour, threatening maritime operations and fishing activities. Dense fog remains another critical hazard. From December 13th through the morning of December 15th, parts of Beijing, Hebei, Shaanxi, Shandong, Henan, and Anhui are expected to experience thick fog, reducing visibility to less than 1,600 feet, and in some areas below 650 feet. Meteorological authorities report rainfall levels in several regios are 40 to 80% above seasonal averages, with some areas nearing double the norm, raising serious risks of landslides, flash floods, and urban flooding, particularly in southwestern China's complex terrain. Authorities nationwide are urging residents to avoid unnecessary outdoor activity, follow traffic safety guidance, and take precautions against cold-related illnesses and fire hazards as heating demand surges. With snow, ice, strong winds, heavy rain, and dense fog converging across multiple regions, officials warn that the danger is far from over. The coming days will demand heightened vigilance, swift response, and collective resilience as China confronts one of its most severe winter weather events in recent years.